Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore powerful ways to transform your mindset and live a happier, more fulfilling life. Today, we're talking about something that affects us all: taking things personally. Have you ever felt hurt, offended, or frustrated by someone's words or actions, even when they weren't meant to harm you? If so, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this pattern and take back control of your emotions? Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to stop taking things personally, once and for all. First, let's understand why we take things personally. Our brains are wired for social connection, and part of that means we're constantly interpreting other people's words, tones, and actions. When someone criticizes us, ignores us, or treats us unfairly, we instinctively look for personal meaning in their behavior. We think, did I do something wrong? Do they not like me? Am I not good enough? But here's the truth. Most of the time, people's actions and words have little to do with us, and everything to do with them. People project their own emotions, stress, and insecurities onto others. A rude comment might come from someone's bad day. A lack of response might be due to their own struggles. When you realize this, you free yourself from unnecessary emotional burdens. So how do you stop taking things so personally? Here are some powerful strategies. 1. Shift your perspective. When someone says or does something that upsets you, pause and ask yourself, is this really about me? Or could there be another explanation? Often, people's actions reflect their own issues rather than your worth. 2. Don't assume intent. We often assume people are intentionally trying to hurt us, but in reality, most people are too focused on their own struggles to be plotting against us. Give people the benefit of the doubt. 3. Strengthen your self-worth. The more confident you are in yourself, the less others' opinions will affect you. Work on building self-love through affirmations, self-care, and surrounding yourself with supportive people. Detach from others' opinions. What people think about you is their business, not yours. Their opinions don't define your value. Learn to validate yourself instead of seeking validation from others. 5. Practice emotional resilience. When you feel hurt, acknowledge your emotions but don't dwell on them. Instead, focus on solutions and move forward. Journaling, meditation, and deep breathing can help you build emotional resilience. 6. Communicate clearly. If someone's words or actions hurt you, consider addressing it calmly instead of assuming the worst. Sometimes, a simple conversation can clear misunderstandings. 7. Focus on what truly matters. Ask yourself, will this matter in a week, a month, or a year? Most things we take personally are small in the grand scheme of life. Don't give them more power than they deserve. One of the most life-changing lessons you can learn is this: not everything is about you. People's reactions, behaviors, and opinions are shaped by their own experiences, fears, and emotions. When you stop personalizing everything, you gain freedom. Freedom from unnecessary pain, overthinking, and emotional exhaustion. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one situation where you took something personally, but later realized it wasn't about you at all? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to read them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.